In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word file into a PDF file. So what you want to do, you want to open your Word file. I just made this, I just typed this in. This is a test, how to simple my channel name. Then you want to save the file. And now you can just close your Word file because you don't need it anymore. And as you can see, this name the file is .docs file. So you want a PDF file, right? So this is not the right file. I'm going to show you how to convert this into a PDF. So you can close Word and then you want to open your browser and you want to search for smallpdf.com. So what this website does, this website allows you to upload upload a Word file and converts it into a PDF file. So if I pick the Word file, how to test .docs, you can upload it. Now it's uploading, now it's converting, and as you can see, here is how to test converted.pdf. So if you download this, this is the file, open it. As you can see, this is the exact same text, only then in PDF format. So this is how you have to convert Word to a PDF file, and I hope I helped you.